How are you, brother? I'm fine. How are you? This is what you're gonna say, right? Of course, you're gonna say. So, if we are on a store, so imagine we are on a store. I'm buying some foods for me, and I buy you a drink. Most likely, when we go to the store again, you will buy something for me. So, imagine a scenario. For no reason, I slap you on your face like this so hardly for no reason. What your reaction gonna be? You will be angry and you wanna slap me back, right? Right. Because this is the human nature. This is the human nature to do the same. To do the same. This is the human nature. So in life, in life, if you wanna be respected, if you wanna be helped, if you wanna be loved by someone, you are a human being. Of course, you wanna be loved by someone. Of course, you wanna be respected. So, if you wanna be respected, loved, helped by someone, you have to do it first. If you see someone is suffering, go help them. If you wanna be respected, give respect first. If you wanna be loved by someone, love the people who are around you. You have to do the first. Then, in return, they will do the same for you. But don't expect that. This is the human nature. If you do the bad or the good, the people will do the same for you. So, this is it. Human nature is to do the same. So,